going on, guys? Welcome to Po Boys. I just got a call from Sean and he said get off your ass, we're going to cash days. This is gonna be a good one. Welcome to Po Boys. So here Sean is, we're gonna go pick up his car. What up, dog?
It's the bait, I swear it smells good. It's white peach raspberry.
White peach raspberry.
Yes, sir.
Solid. What you doing, Sean?
Check to make sure the bolts that hold the cradle and everything are tight and that hold the diff mounts are tight. It's got a vibration. They're probably gonna be a tight, but double check.
We're going full send mode and just not even worrying and taking the vet. No trailer, no truck. We're just driving there. We're gonna race. We're gonna win some cash and then we're gonna drive back. That's what's gonna happen, right?
This is probably really what's gonna happen. We're probably gonna get in the vet, drive there, break the motor, and get towed back. Look, you're gonna be riding the shotgun up there with the tow truck driver. They got studs to get to the cradle, right?
Uh-huh.
One of them's broke off.
Oh, solid.
I mean, they're supposed to be solid mounts, but they're not.
Well, we found the piece that broke off.
It's always something.
I really can't wait to see a freaking straight axle Corvette.
All this gonna be gone. Trust me, it's gonna be a thing of the past.
All right, well, we're gonna do a little test hit on the car, see what it feels like, and then we'll go from there. And I'm out in the car right now, trying to make sure it's gonna stay together before I drive it all the way out there and beat the out of it, because I just put new motor mounts and trans mounts in it, and one of the trans mounts has got a stud that comes out of the solid mount and it broke smooth off. So stay on the phone, we're about to make one more. And I'll tell you if it's the yay or nay. It sounded good, and right before I shipped in the third, that acted like it was about to fall on its face. Try the car and see if I got CO2. I'll call you and let you know. What's going on, guys? Poe from the future here. I wanted to tell you that we didn't give a care and we pretty much just went there anyways. So continue with the night. We'll see how tonight goes. Look all dude Beasley putting in that work.
These basic rules: run an 1/8 mile. You jump, you lose. You cross, you lose. We'll have a tire crack cam. We're gonna go off one video only. That's the tire crack video. At the end of the round, if you think there's a discrepancy about somebody jumping, then we'll go review the tape at the end of the round. If I can't make a call, then we'll run it back. I don't care if you're in front, behind, beside, it doesn't matter. If you cross, you lose. If you both cross, first is worse. 1/8 mile, pour your own prep. If you don't have somebody with you to help you pour prep, let us know. We'll help you, we'll back you up, we'll get you in your groove. We want everybody to have, the same chance everybody else does. And we're gonna draw for pairs. You draw one and he draws one, y'all racing each other. Y'all going down first. Now if you're on a trans brake roll, I know the difference between that and jump. You'll have time to spool up. I'm gonna stop him, I'm gonna run back, turn the light off.
So who'd you line up with?
Fast Mustang.
Oh, so it's a turbo power glide car on a Coyote, so it's pretty fast. Getting little things started. That's perfect.
Back tires behind it?
Yes.
Okay.
It's basically no juice past this line.
No juice past this line.
There's a track for now. It's not gonna look like that for long.
It ain't going very fast.
I don't think he's gonna make it, cuz he ain't gonna make it back to the Broad Street car.
Well, that's what we're dealing with right now. It's slowly starting to rain as soon as the first truck pulled up. Yeah, it's bad slick.
Tony, you gonna pull him in? Pull him in.
So we got the first real race right here. Glide turbo Mustang, and we're gonna have Sean, which is a 6-speed turbo vet. There's Sean right there. We're gonna see what he can do. Try to get the car lined out. We've been having a few issues with it. Hogging that thing.
Yeah, ramp wasn't quite high enough in first gear, so.
I got you. It does happen. That was a good 60 foot though.
Damn good on that stick car.
Oh man. Does anybody want it? I got 20 on the left lane. Who wants it?
Yeah, watch behind. Alright, here's the final for all the marbles. We'll let them do their burnouts and see how it goes.
That was a fucking race.
Left lane, that was a race.
Hey, that was a race.
Come on, lock it up.
See it?
Who wants it?
Ryan, calm down and talk over there.
Alright, so we got the two fastest cars out here. They're gonna run again. Corvette's a 6-speed, that's an auto car. Last run, the manual car 60 footed better than the auto car. We're gonna see how it goes though. Alright, let's line them up. Man, you're just cashing out today.
We just out here bull having fun. Hell, this here gonna buy me a soda.
3 months.
Another one done.
Always. Hey, went smooth too.
Yeah, it did go smooth. That was really good. Camera died. So thank you to the guys that were all out there that set all that stuff up, made sure everything was safe, made sure everyone was all solid and everything was orderly. And we had some fun racing. Thank you for watching. And if y'all are looking for more truck content, stay tuned for the video coming on a Thursday, somewhere around 8 o'clock p.m. Central Time. Subscribe, share it to your friends, like the button, press the bell, all that fancy stuff. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Remember to freaking send it.